In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Market Breadth Toolkit Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through exactly how to find, add, and start using the Market Breadth Toolkit Indicator inside TradingView Pro, step by step. Even if you're fairly new to TradingView, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to get set up without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar, above the main price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Once that panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there. Now, carefully type Market Breadth Toolkit. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results below the search box. Make sure you spell it correctly and keep an eye out for the exact indicator name in the results list. When you see Market Breadth Toolkit appear in the list, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see the indicator either overlaid on your price chart or in a separate pane below it, depending on how it's designed. If you don't see it immediately, double check that it's enabled in the chart's indicator list. Next, we want to adjust the settings so the indicator works the way you prefer. On your chart, move your mouse over the Market Breadth Toolkit label. You'll see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon. This opens the settings window, where you can customize inputs, visual style, colors, and other options that can make the indicator easier to read and better aligned with your trading approach. Take a moment to review these options and tweak them as needed. You can always come back and adjust them later. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my video description to sign up. That link will take you directly to the official TradingView site, where you can choose the Pro plan and unlock the full features you've just seen, including smoother charting and more indicators on your screen at once. That's all you need to add the Market Breadth Toolkit Indicator in TradingView Pro quickly and easily.